Today, we are going to continue working on our skill of multiple meaning words, words that have more than one definition. We are really building our vocabulary when we're practicing this skill. Remember, we have to listen to how a word is used in the sentence, the context of that sentence, to help us know what meaning they're talking about, helps us visualize. So the word jam has two meanings. You can see the two different pictures. If I say in a sentence, I had a peanut butter and grape jam sandwich for lunch, your mind is going to this picture. You're visualizing this noun, which is some fruit with some sugar, and they make it into jam. If I had said, I was stuck in a traffic jam, you're visualizing, or your mind might go to this picture. And this is also a noun. It's a big group or mass of people crowded together. So the way I use it in a sentence helps us understand the meaning. Let's look at a couple words. This word is bank. And when I say bank, one picture, one meaning, one definition might pop into your head. And we have to think about how else could it be used. Remember, these words have the same spelling. They sound exactly the same, just the difference is the meaning. So the word bank can mean a place to invest or store money. That's a noun. It can also mean, number two, the land along a body of water. It's also a noun. So I need to think about how it's being used in a sentence so that I can visualize which definition or which meaning they're talking about. So this sentence says, I deposited my paycheck in the bank. Can you hold up a number one if you think the definition that matches bank in that sentence is number one? Or if you think in this first sentence, the word bank matches definition number two, hold up two fingers. Okay, put your fingers down. Let's try the second sentence. We had a barbecue on the river bank. When you heard bank in that sentence, did you think of number one, that first meaning? Can you hold up a number one if you think that's the match? Or did you think of number two, the second definition? Hold up two fingers if you think that's the match. Let's check and see if you are right. Hope you held up number one. The bank in sentence number one is the place for our money. And in sentence number two, the definition was number two. The bank is the land along the body of water. And I just wrote another sentence. Aunt Linda drove to the bank after work. Can you hold up a one if you think bank is definition number one, or this bank in this sentence is definition number two? Hold up two fingers. I hope I have two fingers out there. Let's look at another word. The word is match. And look at match. Match has three meanings. Number one, two, and three. The first definition of match is something that resembles or goes with another thing. So it's a match. I played match game a lot with my son when he was little. We had to find two cards that went together. Definition number two, a game or contest. Like a sports match. Number three, a thin piece of wood used to light a fire. So three different definitions. Let's look at how they're used in these sentences. Remember, I want you to hold up a finger when I read that sentence to match which definition. So if I read the sentence and you think it's definition number one, please hold up one finger. If I read this sentence and you think it's definition number two, hold up two fingers. And if you think it's definition number three, hold up three fingers. We're going to go through this really quick. Here we go. The soccer match was canceled because of the rain. Hold up one, two, or three fingers. Let's go to the next one. Do these shoes match my dress? Hold up one if you think it's the first definition. Hold up two for the second definition, and three for the third. And the last one, my dad used a match to light the candles on my cake. Is that definition number 1, 2, or 3? Let's check your answers. The first one was definition number 2, the soccer match. So that was a game or a contest. This sentence, do these shoes match my dress? We're trying to find something that went with another. So that was definition number 1. And the last one, my dad used a match to light candles on my cake. That was definition number 3. That's that piece of wood to light a fire. So make sure we're listening to these words and how they're in a sentence and the clues that help us get the correct definition.